Australia's outback is one of the most unique ecosystems on Earth, but it's also one of the most vulnerable. Over the past century, a silent invasion has reshaped the land, threatened native wildlife, and transformed entire habitats. From toxic toads to unstoppable predators, today we're counting down the top 7 most destructive invasive species in the Australian outback. Some of these creatures arrived by accident. Others were brought in by humans. But all of them left a massive impact. And number 1 may shock you. Number 1. The cane toad. Brought to Australia in 1935 to control beetles in sugarcane crops, the cane toad became one of the biggest ecological disasters in history. They didn't eat the beetles, but they spread out of control. Cane toads produce powerful toxins that kill almost any predator that tries to eat them: snakes, crocodiles, lizards, even dogs. Their population exploded into the millions, wiping out native species that had no defense against them. To this day, the cane toad is still expanding into new regions, leaving a trail of devastation behind. Number 2. The feral horse, also known as the brumby. They may look beautiful, but they are incredibly destructive. Feral horses trample fragile vegetation, damage watering holes, and compete with native animals for precious water in the desert. Large herds can destroy entire wetland ecosystems in a matter of months. While some see them as symbols of Australia's wild frontier, ecologists see a growing crisis. Number 3. The dromedary camel. Originally imported in the 1800s for desert transport, camels were released into the wild when vehicles replaced them. Their population skyrocketed, at one point reaching over 1 million. Camels destroy vegetation, break fences, damage water infrastructure, and even enter towns during droughts searching for water. Their size and appetite make them one of the biggest threats to outback resources. Number 4. The red fox. Introduced for sport hunting in the 1800s, foxes became one of Australia's most dangerous predators. They prey heavily on small native animals: bilbies, bandicoots, numbats, reptiles, and ground-nesting birds. Many species declined sharply or vanished entirely because they had no natural defense against such agile hunters. Foxes are now found across most of Australia, including the edges of the outback. Number 5. The feral pig, one of the most destructive land animals on Earth. Feral pigs tear up soil while foraging, destroy bird nests, damage crops, spread disease, and compete with native species for food. In wetland areas, they cause catastrophic erosion and contamination. Their explosive reproduction makes control extremely difficult. Number 6. The water buffalo. Originally brought in for farming, they escaped into the wild and multiplied across northern Australia. Buffaloes destroy fragile wetlands, knock down trees, and trample riverbanks. Their weight reshapes entire landscapes, increasing erosion and turning wetlands into muddy wastelands. They also spread weeds and parasites across the outback. And at number 7, the feral cat, one of the deadliest predators in the world. Feral cats kill an estimated 3 million native mammals, 2 million reptiles, and 1 million birds every single day in Australia. Yes, every single day. Cats are silent, efficient, and extremely hard to control. They hunt even when they are not hungry, driven by instinct. Many endangered Australian animals have been pushed to the brink of extinction because of feral cats. Their impact is devastating and ongoing, making them one of the outback's most dangerous invasive species. These invasive species have transformed Australia's outback in ways that scientists never expected. Some arrived by accident, some were brought for work, others were introduced for sport, but all of them left massive scars on the ecosystem, threatening native wildlife and reshaping the landscape forever. Which invasive species do you think has caused the most damage? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Australia's outback, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more wildlife documentaries and epic nature stories. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.